Exercise 5.8. Examine whether the following are polygons. If any one among them is not, say why. You have to give reason why it is not a polygon. See this A. Is it looking like a polygon? So you have to observe these and say whether they are polygon or not. This is not a polygon because it is open curve. See, this is not a polygon. So a polygon must be a closed figure. This is a polygon. This is not a polygon. And this is also not a polygon. This is also not. D also not. Only B is polygon. Name each of the polygon. You have to name. What is this? It is quadrilateral. But name of this quadrilateral is kite. This is triangle, pentagon, octagon. This is octagon. O-C-T-O-D G-O-N. O-C-T-O-G-O-N. Make two more examples of each of these. Example for quadrilateral is square, kite, rhombus, rectangle. Example for this three-sided is triangle, pentagon, octagon. Any toys you can give the example. Draw a rough sketch of a regular hexagon connecting any three of its vertices. Draw a triangle. Identify the type of triangle you have drawn. Draw a rough sketch of a regular hexagon. Just I have shown you the kinds of polygons. You have to draw hexagon and connecting any three sides of its vertices, you have to draw a triangle. See, this is a regular hexagon having 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what is the question? Draw a neat regular hexagon. Regular means the all sides must be equal. Then what you have to do? Draw joining any 3 vertices. How many vertices are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 vertices. So join any 3 vertices and form a triangle. You can join 3 vertices. So like this and like this, or like this, or like this. You can see now I have joined 3 vertices of this regular hexagon. You can see. So what kind of triangle is formed? Here triangle is formed when you join the vertices of 3 vertices of the hexagon. It is an equilateral triangle is formed. We can observe it's an So these 2 sides are equal and this is not equal to these 2 sides. This is of different length. It is an equilateral triangle. Draw a rough sketch of regular octagon. Use squared paper if you wish. Draw a rectangle by joining exactly 4 of the vertices of the octagon. You have to draw a neat diagram of octagon. In that rectangle you have to join the 4 sides vertices of the octagon and form a rectangle. See, this is a regular octagon. This is an octagon having how many sides are there? You can observe 8 sides are there. So what we have to do now? Join 4 vertices of the octagon and form a rectangle. You can join 4 of these vertices and form a rectangle. Just like this, by joining two vertices, you can see these two vertices and these two vertices. What figure is formed? A regular rectangle is formed. See, this is a regular pentagon. Penta means 5. It has 5 sides. 3, 4, 5 sided. So we have to join their diagonal. If you join any two sides, it forms the diagonal. So let us see. So after drawing a regular pentagon, join the vertices from this to this, from this to this, from this vertex to from this vertex. You can see these are diagonals. These are not the sides. These are the line segments. So these are also line segments. The sides of the pentagon. When you join the vertex from this to this two vertices, it forms the diagonal. You can draw the diagonals like this. See what structure is formed. So it completes your 5.8 exercise. So you also do this in your geometry notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.